Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to invite friends on Temu. Inviting friends on Temu is a simple and an easy forward step. Simply go ahead and open the Temu application to begin. Also make sure to log into your Temu account like you normally do. Once you're inside the main homepage logged in, tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Now, look for the section called Earn Credits and Free Gifts and tap on it. You will see a selection of free gifts you can potentially earn by inviting friends. Select the free gifts option that you can see on the screen and follow through the instructions. You will be able to see the free gifts you can earn by inviting friends. Select the items and then tap on Pick It. In some cases, you may also need to select the color or variants for the gift. Once you pick all of the gifts for yourself, tap on Confirm, and then after you are confirmed with your address as well, click on the Collect button and then tap on Invite Friend to get energy option, or simply tap on the Invite Friend option. Now this will bring up this pop-up where you will be able to see the Copy Link option. Tap on Copy Link and click on the Send Now button to send the link to your friend. You can go ahead and select various sharing options provided to send the link to your friends. You can go ahead and open up SMS app from your device, select a contact you would like to invite, and paste in the text message or the link that you just copied. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the Send button in order to send the referral link to your friend. You can go ahead and choose any method, such as social media, messaging apps, or email, in order to send your link to your friend. Now, once your friend accepts your invitation and creates an account for Temu using your referral link and completes any actions required, like making a purchase from Temu, you'll receive the free gift that you just selected. So that is how you will be able to invite friends on Temu in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.